Anoche Frimpo Esquire. He joins us now. And today we are looking at a topic which will interest quite a number of people in the mind of Otumfuo Osei-Tutu II. Yes, that's what we are discussing this morning. And Akosia, welcome back.
Yeah, welcome back.
All right.
You're my lawyer, so Shapa. Because Afi na your first time you Wishiano. First time to Afi Shapa. Na no family so the end of Asante Kale Sankasa. Yeah. Asante representing and say bam.
Say kutu, say bam. You can see the gold, you can see the green, you can see the black.
Wow.
And these are the flags of the Ashanti Kingdom.
Exactly.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Now, lawyer, colors idea. This is the first time someone is coming across these colors. Na anka utimi cheche mu emayehu ya ni ntia green, gold and black represented the Ashanti Kingdom.
Me pacho. First and foremost, abayo bi me feel the dance here.
Yeah.
No more free one of the Achimbuakwa villages.
Oh, okay.
About 4 years ago, and I made in the bar my office.
Okay.
Say okoye exams na u fail here. And obeka no ma me say wa pass you say be discover and so poison now.
Oh,
na me ne kasa ya na me de ne ma professor bi o Catholic University Sunyane. Sandoku. And ne kasa ya otu no fo no ore rolling no. Mante hwe bi and Rami or ne ma me aba. We school no year national service na the first pay. Obeto we de acheme. Ti baby awo bi a wo din kra ne metirim. Me da wase nyame inshira.
Wow.
And odi we ma me. And me hu nso say coincide with the ne
true
program me be ye no.
Wow.
Na mo say Ghana fo sua ade bi. Nipa bebre ye deceive wo. Ya no mo ka say Ashanti color na ye red.
Red, yeah.
Send your kotoko.
Yes.
It is a black stars are white in here. And just to deceive everybody.
Wow.
The Ashanti colors no any. Ye nyina enim tuntum kotoko no. Ukuma apima apim ebeba sa aboa kotoko no. Wo so ni mu say ya. Na yine betutu a obani munta wa na obeja ni. Nso aboa ketu wa bi. Na gold no.
That's the
Ashanti is the kingdom of gold.
Right.
To whom we are no golden stool, no.
Okay.
And then green. Bibi mem we are simu be biara. Baby oben green color. Oh, say soldier for tanks and no crown. Green, momentary green. It stands for fertility, the ability to reproduce, the ability to sustain itself. Me won some colors ni green. E wa hade ye green na say ensada. The bia no e wo ho. I see into that. The green color. No.
Wow. So if you didn't know, now you know. So the porcupine and gold representing royalty and green representing life. So these are the colors of the Ashanti Kingdom.
Nama almost so hunu say. Mr. Nominate Afresika Konyaso. Ewo menshia.
Oh,
okay. Ntinana Kwame Yeboah the second. And no who nana anochia. Woba anochia.
Fantastic. Well, so we'll go straight into an in the mind of Otumfuo, quite a pregnant topic. Na yebedi can share the decision for Otumfuo Yera to deliver his verdict on the Mamprosi Kusasi issue no ewo Jubilee House. Anka yenim say ono an ehwema bibia mediation ne course anka e bia menhia na sanka oma verdict no but ono abu aketem eba Jubilee House na ebema verdict no. We want to know why that decision.
It's very important. I say ye nyina ehunu ni esua bibi if you say Asante hene enye obi a osori anu watu nase there be enka nhihye akomfo anoche eye man ho. So tunase a na che say eyade a emu edu eye titiri okonbre on say tutu odikan no oba achembe konye a obi a enim nti edu akon opokuware ebe konye 10 river obi a ahemfo no obi adi akon nti say otunase a na che say eye anibresem kese na yenkwa abakosem kakra say time Queen Elizabeth II oba Ghana yaje independence wentimi ama Duchess of Kent onuaba no ena ebae na bibi nti akire ya ne bibi atoto ye na ese oba me yehu se ye ne nkita hodie no eye fan mpache Otumfuo ama Kumasi amehia no wa mankran amehia no na prempe de second wa mankran amehia no eye a friend say Queen Elizabeth ne call ne nanso ewo Kumasi menhia okwono so no ne president of Ghana Kwame Nkrumah and in 1961 that was in May 1961 and then Nkrumah making very famous statement to be that whatever the wind of change that blows you are always welcome to this country and also making statement say obehu Kumasi no what to kwan bebre ohu kura inua ewo kuro ni mu e ma ne ye fesa and o name Kumasi the garden city of West Africa yan yemreso ye tro exams objectives no geography ye bisa yes which city is referred to as the garden city of West Africa so ja ban bi ba ya no obebu inua ni hina de agufo oh na Kumasi no still don't forget the garden city of West Africa me gidi say nana otie me obecha se na ni chine ya ye nua no enye elite na Kumasi na enko back to the status na one me can see so say Queen Elizabeth etumi ko nana ho a sanso na Pope John Paul II oba Ghana 1980 November 1980 or something like that oba Ghana no so me pacho onu no tu nase eko Kumasi eko kochia Otumfuo na Otumfuo di buo ma no osori gina chia no na nka so tenase ada onyina da nyeso gina Prince Charles na Edward no wa mu eko no wanyina wuchia no a ote ho ana nka amamere mu no wuchia wi a wo bekwa akotenase na nananso ne no domadi akire abema wakwa aba mesra wonyesa ade no dabi enti sani ayekin because of yenuanom mampurisi ni kusasi enti na etunase a first and foremost na kire ani brekase a te se okon for him asomedwe ne bo ed ne pa o asomedwe ne bo ed ne ye pa nti na hu the same importance or attach it to ekon no so de ma asomedwe na sabe nyamwa mpusi kusasi for enko sa we yemfa and gomba enzema hunter ye nyina enhu the relevance of it say sanya wa wo kan no o kan sam no wo menhia enti ye fa na say so baby ade na yira na ehwa na ye hwehwe what you say we chichiri dwan no ehwa na ye sane no yenko sane no baby foforo but na natu na se ba the capital of Ghana ebe deliver sane ebe mo many nyina hu say and ade a oye na of national dimension and two Sabono so assign the buo ama the president of the republic. Nanko betuma be na Accra International Conference Center or co president Akachi. Let us so pursue who say bia moro emraso na ne anidie sano no ye de emman enti ehwo de ne ye no interesting say wo ebuo de mambra wo buo kase de mampurisi kusasi wo buo de ma asomedwe na otwe obi adwena gina so obi ani ho a obro mbraso ye nyina hye ne nyina nso eye baako na it was towards the end of the year na cheso patches afifofura ye komi asomedwe mran kran Kumasi sunyane doma babiara medase
interesting inti ye beto aso because what's your take on this by the way?
I'm taking notes.
I'm
really taking
interesting. Notes. Yes. Ye behwe ye queen mothers no. There were talks say anka ye informal Emeka National House of Chiefs so but you know there is some opposition.
Yes, some opposition straight so Otumfuo because we are talking about the mind of Otumfuo.
Okay.
Can straight so Otumfuo opposes that. What kind of some opposition? That just a certain there. You just go straight to the point. I hope you agree with me.
I agree with you. I agree with you perfectly. Otumfuo empneso na adintia no
very good.
Yeah.
simple.
Mama ni yet send you wusronia who can say some no cry and to say nana no di kan ba bonten abeka say won pene so enti men ye ne te say parliament asema say bi de anya pe we
nana pene so adentia
nana won pene so enti wo say first one yakona adwene mu nti otu na se free pope ne yukra kuna Elizabeth ne kwa menkrube yina call no na fi watu na say ya kire adwene wo ne ti the second adwene no ene say on the National House of Chiefs we share constitution free tetete eye mema eye ahemfo paramount chiefs ene de amount ene de akwa adwenwunu mu hu se ma ene mema eye pe ena ohene ate akonwa so ohema so te akonwa so ade ne yanka wo mu emom na entu anamonko yenim otumfo so ne obi anya adwene na wo a wo betu sa anamono ene oba withdraw asantefo a wo nyina.
Wow.
The moment obey withdraw na be affect Oti region. Be affect some part of the whole Ahafo, some part of Bono. Eastern region Koforidua mo be affect wo. And central region part of Asen. Nature any the whole Ashanti nteche say house no problem kase ebeba ho. Sir. Into a kind will be answer ayeko. Now what kind Article 11 of Ghana's constitution? Also, customary law is part of the laws of Ghana. Nana person chire say amamire mu no. Sabio hwelbai na ete yenchen. Oh say na nyame ehihye no. Oh you different from say na ehihye me no. Oba free no soro besi from bibia ya hwehwe. Wan hwe ne ye pe abo. What you say? Sir. Enti say ekoba Russia Ukraine war. Ya bisa say maami ehin ne yekumo. Eye mema na ekodi akon na ma na tenafo ya kora wo kanetete wo no asantememu kora ntokwa ba ahemfo no ma no queen mothers ne all the women won kogu ba bi ana efre ho me ebo won ho eban eye very important adentira se we save mema nyina na oba ba ko ne kan ho no free wiase a ese your society no asiashi what you say na mom say a man no does to say ma 100 na in the Akan society or African society ya dey polygamous broni dey one man one wife and tro bible kure ni sa na your friend is saying what dey no dey adwuma na wo hye ye nyina yase na wo ye man na wo asori ni mu no na no papa madam fu bi o ye fancy sa counselor no no me ya abeyi
or counsel amanfo
ne marriage counselor ne bisa ne say friend say ese wo say oba bia enya nukunu be ma bia mfa baako ene na emanu ebeka wa sorry dem mo ne ye won dey ene oyi anu say no nya wasem unya wudi awia ne aka deja amanyam you should answer question I don't know which am nyankopo eti me de me says the for boafu me say o me say ne me can bet me personal no inti asantefo believe say da bia no ene akan memu yankora emma yamfa emma enkokon na man wo fie no emma ni di akon no queen mothers no omo nti hokwo omo adwumadie kase a wo mu edi omu nim say ya menu yiri kwaku bonsu yiri ajeman yiri omu nyina ekoko omu be make sure say ye hwe wo mu nyina so so omu nkobobo adwaman.
Oh, I see.
Oh yes, they have a big role to play. Wow. Omu hwe say ye mo adwaman wa mu na kafie entokwa no duru a mema na omu nya mema no wa petu ayare no bia ko fa bandage kase e dia bo you be use clutches na che say wa pay means bia odi beja Sanford ye frɛ won Kwasa Nkobi nti ye ja Kwasa Nkobi fio wo fie ne ye ja nkokora a wo mu enyini a wo se ye de ne kwako a enyeye ane nkwala akora enya se ye de wo mu kɔ eko na ne ye frɛ won marima no akono marima manu akoko na your friend ne say a man nso e wo fie right do hima ene ne mpanimfo hwe wo mu nyina so mo mpese o mbete pasabasa yo bia so what you say cause bia na we na neji we what time ma wukunu ko no abeda yeah ne psyche no digina akono na be ya ne say na yire nso e hwe ne ho siye queen mother na e hwe sad ne say koso na ye man ntina ho just like that okay e cobra no e man nyina ye momu ekodi abosom
Oh, I see.
Na your friend is saying daytime ombene nam kuro ni mu saa na omo kanche ebo asante abosoman kase ni di dome atamfo no a ye ne omo kono ye gunsa ye ya mamre edodome won night on wo mu nyansa night na wo adwene ye so bokwa akodi bone. That is the time a Queen Mother no organize wo mu nyina they go naked no mu nam kuro ni mu kanche sa inti men play physical role on the battlefield na man play spiritual role. Play spiritual role e wo fie day and night e de bo wo kununum e ho ban. What you say?
Yes.
Na ye kwakon ne ba na ye di nkunima ye ma no na de nwom be kwa kohia wo. Atadwe ene ate den ne atadwe ne wo te sa pa na che say asantefo adi nkunim. Eno achi no the role be ma Queen Mother a play. The Queen Mother I say lead chorister or no organize man to your boss ekokoshia meman.
Can a role be likened to emphasis in the modern day church in Meko Piniana?
To say Bibisa no di one.
All right.
Now say meman trans near can some war ahimfia. Oh say you can't say me say you kotu agina. You could be sa abrewa. And say Queen Mother no ye kasa no ote ho quietly na nyankopon che ma ade bi onsa bosom bia no mo te se bosom o mo hunu moja oba ne bosom ye pe bosom bia o hunu moja se ne yetwa moja nso o bosom anim nti ono te ho no nsema ye kan yina o hwe me body language o watare we ye hwe me no the next 2-3 months me kura na me yure fi say we na me share one so 3 days we yure be fi oba the next 100 and a high sense of smelling bia omusua de and na fi omu na kodwom kodi dwa omu tietie nsa me hwe nkwala nti wo mu ekasa ni na oba no emie na no no onim life amode ti krom ho onim ni hina enti akami ni wie na yakasa ekobisa abrewa. That was the time nana hima on be catch up with the moon one not you talk as na wa born into we so at on look be bia nana ya hwe ni fahini ni ye wo kasa nyina no wayi nani ato baby me de bia me catch on some person e man na hwe sa no na public ne de obey quiet into me born the tough say Otumfuo ni misade enim say ye kokon no na ohima no wankobi yeti dwom so kasa wonka ho it means say no mira ye memma no ma bia no wonka ho ane ye even though akonwa no a ohene ne teso no eye oba ne dia Queen Mother no edia na wo ye nananom say oba tatua atwene hwan dem bema dem nti ono betotuo no dia ma bema no dia kwakono enti na say do ohene si akonwa so atitiri say yi asante hene die ma huhuna wo behu say obeye obetutuo wo public oka kire ohima ne se konwa na wodi mesi na nka ya wa wo de na nam se wuntumi nkokon nti no na wodi me asi so nti me ba bedi akon e de ama na nua Otumfuo ma me tofo mi wo kasa no na ne sword pomponsio no sword no this way no na esi ne nchen. The meaning is that seka ekonkuwa de a nka meko ama nana no doma nkoma bo ade ma wuo fa no owuo kurade obi antimi anya de enye nkwantimi enye nyame kura enya ho hwe enu nti ena se ma ya mrete se ne de handcuff egu mensa na me ba be ka kire o se mini watofom not because say sabio de goma fo na ebeku no ana se hwifo na eku na mom e yodoma nkoma ewu nti Otumfuo ka we nyina ebomu a na in his mind or for so that can custom say not even a can custom northern custom baby a yemfa oba mfa nko akono no say National House of Chiefs so Asia ye the same performance say member na ekasa wo public ye ma man ntena won baby see hia adwenkyire bi afiri won ho a ye beko akobisa abrewa na nyesa member te public na ye kasa na ye argument na we catch kwen we ya to ama we na oba na ti wo bi o pese wo ye oba ba sad place we me ento so ababra parliament e ho de your mind dia na mo pa say the tradition e ya de no e ma en continue so mbe play traditional role no. That's the Mind of Otumfuo.
Interesting. Ebusia ye Dr. Yao Anoche Frimpong and Twitwim Komo Summary. A lot to digest this morning. Today we are looking at in the mind of Otumfuo. Osei Tutu the second. We are taking it step by step. We are on our Queen Mothers now, and a lot is going on. Agosia.
Yeah.
How's it going?
It's going very, very well. Very, 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 very well.
Interesting.
Very well.
Inti lawyer, Mpacho, so in your submission, no, you were giving us some of the rules and as a position of your Queen Mothers, no, traditionally. Is there more you may want to add to Nyawakanyana?
For the Queen Mothers?
Queen Mothers, yes.
Your friend is saying, to do with Otumfuo.
Yes, we are done with Otumfuo. Yeah, show more role traditionally.
The traditional role, very good. Traditional role, no. So we can be say a kunyano or hin in the tusino. Your bano edia.
Sir.
The beer, a kunyani or banedia. Until oba a kamemu ha. You say, you were kingmakers. The kingmakers, no, you were himba. Or no be ye obi.
Sir.
No, the actual. Your friend is saying, kingmakers no. Na omu jitumua. That is so aba beye wahine. Na Queen Mother no wo chances are miensa 3 times. Oyi first one. Na omu anyi antuma. They should give her the reason why. Omu nyintum. That is the tradition.
Yeah.
They should give her the reason why omu nyintum. Yes, bia. Osha ne nima na so. I'm not chi ojina we. Ni patieti awe dari. Mano very tangible reason to say be a krom ho e mai wo kwanyina wase wo mo pe asitiri we na osan be di nipa nim da bi krom ho bia ba we ho no minister da bia osan di twa aboko no ne nkwala epere eduane ho good reasons like that no ama ye the star 3 after the third one no now kingmakers ni be yi bia ama no omu yi bia that means omu yi bia oni to me bia so be rejected. The reason is that 3 no a year no they had good reasons I say rejected one. It is almost the about so better than the earlier 3 they accept it. And no na ex-war. And then among the accounts also to say Bampon ya na be usually obebiru Royal Gate no you were Quadier you were Uredu to say another one 4 Bobim na sa 4 we say no I say rotate.
Oh, okay.
Among accounts in the beer rotate usually an 3 Mampondia na 4 a rotate sir. Now coastal accounts no especially Zamana was there is Zamana Infante Omudiana na fine pa and a hantan so nyomu ye ne say ye do see a konyaso as ohinia gate na we free a gator.
Yeah.
And now the main fan say fan say to some mampondie na we free a wiredu if ye na de esisoa.
Yeah.
The moment Queen Mother ni be wu no ohene ne ba hwa me de Queen Mother for
esiso
abusa pani ni wo ba hwa me de for de esiso na mom so ohene ne wu dia na chese wiredu mo government no I follow completely.
Oh, I see.
To say in the state, minister being where the full fresiwo. Now, when president no Lucy election there, only the minister so abandegu.
True.
Na akọ into new house na be kono. Na say yakọ de krom fie na akwa. Mono na muyi mo hene.
Oh, I see.
Mu Queen Mother ayi ebusia penny.
Wow.
Because the government here has completely failed.
So it's a winner takes all system.
Has completely fallen, sorry. The winner
takes all.
Takes all.
Yeah.
What you say, Sana? Yeah. Until any time on hini bewu no, yenya new Queen Mother, new chief, and then new ebusia penny.
Wow.
Until some man so be wo fear wa. Man so ne is to do with baby edu no. So drew kwa de krom for so man so no within.
Yeah.
Na mo entime masa every year do. Na wo de wo kwa akojim dabi nti wo mu aduru won so no wo mu kingmakers and wo Queen Mother wo mu ayi no na the same method ye di no Queen Mother na hwe wo mu ani pani mu aye presented no mo ayi baako nti kasa konwa to ye kwapre konwa eno ncha say this year bia de tumi pre wo betumi apre based on what I say that rotational system no eduru wo so anase enduru wo so.
I see.
To say sremfo de dagoma fo de yo Yakubu Andani ena the other one am refi CCA wo nipa no also ya Andani nipa enti say your friend say Abudullah ba ko ne Abudullah enti say Andani nipa no wuwu a na say Abudullah nipa na aba omu na eyi wo nipa abetra enti ufra Andani anya fe na wo de wo ho
for I get it.
Bibia ye Abdullah modeti no some betwi manso some be dey o
found sir
eno ni coastal accounts ni a
omo de no sir
na Ashanti system no more or less it started the same way gante sanke ye negate wo na no ye Otumfuo kasa no
sir
but before I continue mama can say be Aristotle the famous Greek philosopher okay or say ye ka badwuma badwuma ne obia se ne yonko ka asem bi no ne nye adwene a ontutu mirika se odi natem ana obeka se anya nyansasem ne mo de beka na desua ho na wa hwehwem
sir
more or less to say ne madam for be can we learn sense from nonsense into omo abi a comment session adentina wo Otumfuo anya adwene adentina wo ne doma hene anya adwene masa yesu ade o de bia se nipa esu ade ne ye di wata wo di nipa tema ye easy adentina nka instead of atemde won kwa ye research now comment section no won ka asem papa bi no the answer you are a fool you are this you don't know anything
lawyer you am keke bi cheo
omo ka kire obi na Sam Jonah the famous Sam Jonah no ka kire me say ejuma media me hwe na manko comment session
wow
you be do whatever me bia ka wo ma me otifie what body bia so akwa say me kasa say na ya so me me nkwasi asa
oh my god
na me say no ya me go me ma me no sha say didi matem awo me kwala brenti nya wo na obeka be ya masam foforo
some people have no kids
and we can say oh ni ntia me di kaka Aristotle de nkofo baka say ade ntina ahana say wo no Otumfuo enya adwene so me challenge nana so go back to the Ashanti constitution na fi ni akwanoche ekaye and na me challenge National House of Chiefs omo your friend say research department directed for research omo enkwani university for no omo nhwe the role of the queen mother o say nanka me pese mumu yi ansa na me ma comment I told your producer very important nana e can say eye bampo issue here say ohima na etiwo no e ba no te say ebusu pani a utumi nya yie a wo be yi no afim ono no ye na yi
video no say omo try so omo but I think it's encrypted so
then your friend is saying ekokoba no eyi a si eyi wo hene a obibia wo fie ho bia ye de hye nti se ohima ne de na ni hwem no se wei ena mayi no a wo ka ho hwe a enyaye ema na nakora bo Professor Ajimambedu Akosadi say Abedu Akosa the whole world obia nim no
sir
one of the world's foremost
professors
in pathology enche bebre Nigerian billionaire bi ewue na ne man obi a wadi be 90 years so wawu a the elderly children if is a young wife bi and ekum no age ya wadi enti doubt ba ho no Nigeria for share say am fa Professor Ajimambedu Akosa no meye na yi no autopsy na ne ono beka ne ye fa ampa so ne o kan ne na eye fa na enti no Otumfuo ha no sankasa papa e na mampon stool silver stool a second to the golden stool enti so no ka me ho ye mebedi echa na nka no na mepe na ohima no na tumi wo no enti ne obeka no and one now we are trying to say and I'm challenging nananom say your friend is saying sasani ye di no dia ani anka ye do hima bi si akonwa so ewia da bia no obeyi obi ofiri onu ni fie
true
so ka say obi bia yo de hye ntu otumi yi emu bia ope dia unless somebody bi we nipa no ho so bi ofefa nkrofo yire no bia wa yese wa mte sa dia wa yi obi we ni fie monka boni bi wa onye de hye a monka nkire me obi aso be ka so ye de hye ne sa dia nka ohima yi be yi obi afiri ni fie na so ohima na ya abrewa owu a no hene no fufura wa be no no so akoyi ohima afirifie ho young lady time ohene no be pani no be wuru na queen mother gina no so no say you obi afirifie but on side anka de okun be ba kan memu ha.
That's very true.
Otherwise ya de obi si so na wo pese rotation da bi e beduru so ha permits bi e de be eliminate say nipa mienu no the chief and the queen mother. I hope you understand me.
That's true. Very, very true.
The Hokakra na enhwe se nka enye sa appropriately no queen mother no any king makers no omu advice ne say sa house yi ana aduru won so
sir
nti omu abani nyina ekwa akopere no obi a wopere ye make sure say aduru free ekobi even though the queen mother belongs to A.
True.
Na nia eduru so because nana osebo so the second one baby na no na hwa na queen mother we say ba be wire bibisa house nti baby na nka ese ekọ no na we queen mother no we say we house dia na hwa na wo fa no a wawu no na ofi nti sade a wo ni wo fiefo enka ho nti hwe say sa 3 or 2 houses no a aka no kwan pa na eduru ne 10 wo be coastal cancer omu ade bi omu ye fe pa to avoid dispute no ni omu ye ne se wo a eduru wo 10 no so hima ni yi na duru ohene no oyi a na the next one na ebeko no to avoid confusion no wo mu nipa ye be yi no se abusia no mabusia pani ebeba betwa odwan ade agu ohene na ase and son ye to ma continue with the customary rights no until the next time na say akonwa no to na ebe yi wa hene a the simple question a queen mother ni bisa ni say wan mu na twa edwan time last chief ni ade ni si akonwa so
te no no mri be hu say
anu anu ni otwa edwan no ono na aduru ne 10 ha ana sante de ni say kamea ye say eduru wa bia nkopere wa queen mother esa na che say ya enhance the queen mother's role na the queen mother no obi anko read Black's Law Dictionary. It draws a distinction between selection and appointment. The queen mother would select. Or select or shoma no was. And then the kingmakers would appoint.
Oh, I see.
In teacher say selection to me select will be na appointment ni nemu edru. Selection no can be done by one person. Selection by a team. So over there no na omo dwene ho say enemrem ye po bi obedi akonya wako school wabo degree bi ko kuta ne masters. Yenhwe lawyer no chena wabo ni din matese ye say O level kura wan twanti pacho yinisi enchen.
Yeah, disqualifying.
Na ye po bi a say bi obi a ne yere say we yeso ne ma babu 20 and na wo kura ne ya disqualify and no ne selection no nti yenhwe mu na yenye ade a ebabua ma rotation ne ye de beye adwuma na nia abei ebi esi mampon ebi so asi denchira ame senior bi lawyer nkoa ye de na hye dem babro eyibosome ne ho tam ne duru ese ye de ne besi akonwa so a na ohima na kofa onu anu nua wa mother one father so once so yo hima no otumi yi obia na se sa ne ye no nka de ntina ne ye wo rotation e wo Ghana ha se sa ne ye so otumi yi obia ene sanke be ka se obia ya odehye nti time no dura na wo de wani abom nti we a very big challenge to all the universities, political science department, history, sociology departments, enya hu bibi National House of Chiefs research department ena menhia enya hu bibi se akanfo ne behwe se ye rotational system no ye de be adwuma ne amfa no anya adwuma de a ene da Queen Mother ni be yi ni nipa omumie no te akonwa so no their first problem will be security issue.
That's true.
Because obi e pa akonwa de akonwa de basa obi MP after what tumi ko di akonwa minister di akonwa vice chancellor di obi di kurokura e de what you say aha enti no ade ne ni bread to the extent say so what the tumi ni hina de share Queen Mother no ensemi dia and after that omu aka no so be kwa kofa wo ho adwene.
That's true.
Yeah,
that's say. That's a lot. Yes. Now, say you be ba Accra once again.
Sure.
Now you share Otumfuo's historic visit to the IGP and lawyer and also for your film kakre.
Me pacho one now can was a historic.
Historic.
Very historic because the first time Otumfuo tu nasia enye se bi oba omampani ho ene na be fa oman no ho adwene ana se chief justice ho one na be kasa ana so say speaker of parliament ana so say soja sahene chief of defense staff na we die oba civilian bi ho office ehia nti na say yahwehwem because we are delving into the mind of Otumfuo. Ni American akano ene say ye abrofo and the police adwuma di si ho. Na first no na enye Ghana Police Service. Na force. Na Gold Coast Police Force.
Oh, I see.
Intina dwumadi a wo mu di no it is soldier for role pepe so soldier armed forces nti no mu role na koye se soldier for there pepe juma na wo mu edie no eno no na yeti soldier police ejuma no nso no especially accounts no na omu ani enye
police ejuma
dabi adintra na enye efese ye hye broni ase na broni yusu against wunia nti omu the house for northern Nigeria. And a better police. Into Krabia police force no, nay, house of one. Wow. And it said, so we are quapin in bois. It is a crop, a quapima cropon. And you can't say, police station home in a house of. And it is a castle wire bonnet near metro, a boy, a bone. Was that in any shade? No, and any crop, you know, and some no boy, you just Massa say come.
I say, ye bring me here.
Could tell me, be cramba to be. Could tell me, no more bandage ready. No more channel so content to be ready. Boy, no more punipa. Pano. The police until no be a time war. That's until 4 time police change be actually say. Tell my defeat 1874. Near Sambachi Prempe 1896. They no coin. Ana abrofunu besi police station wo mentia nti da bia wo shada match na wo kutetuo just to scare the asante hine so wo no crofon behia na mo ye bibisa mo ne ye ba kuntokwa bia wo hu ni a ebeto nti na je police ne de anya de asante fo kura no be empe ye che wa se ye bo because any makai ye ni wo mu ni blood relationship ebia and ono so ye ni free northern Nigeria oni majuma obeye so obabuyan
brana be bo omo ye indiscipline right
say no e dia daso ye Ghana Police Service service and omo ye civilians omo nye sojafo ye training ne say omo bu obi omo kum ni there be ye training ne so or part of us omo buaye nti ne fro omo Mr. Also police and more special titles ranks the rank goes with a certain title nti or a warrant officer ye the befriend
sir
now in the police service there so a commissioner of police crowd Mr.
That's true.
Or your friend is an inspector or your mister because you who say or ye one of us ebiem how's any be and can biem ya ye nuanom kuma ye mane ye office for ne papa no school ya ye ko bia no mu so ekoye what you say IGP awabe okọ your friend say I think West Africa Secondary School also ye omu ye nuanom ne ye ma aye ne wo mu frɛ busuam na ekọ police enti the first step, the first reason, ebema yedi ada Otumfuo ase no ene se oma Ghana men nyina akane ye wo adwene boni bi ma police still that so ewo ho.
Oh yes, so there are a few people who don't like the police.
Who's a lawyer for so kran confirm pe o masem. Yes, a lawyer for we butu wentiri for.
Na lawyer no na yampa.
Why then na yampa nti wo fi say se wo fa ne me na me wu a wo beka se ye mutu mitiri for.
There be.
Yes, boni be na me ye.
Yeah.
What you
but it's out there.
So and anya Ghana nkwaneko. Metu kwa South Africa ne different different country. Me kwa me bisa wo can the same thing. Wow. Say for lawyer they are bad people when they die we stand their faces upside down. Me pacho enya nokre.
Yeah.
Se be a lawyer bi and no belong to a certain cult bi. Na sa cult ni mo mra see ebutu won tiri form a and we a doctor na wo mo we a lawyer we ye bebutu tiri form. Na pa say ebusia a obia belong to ebusia na mewu a na mebusia penny say sa me di hie ya wawi mommy ebuti da bi mpacho nsi be ada nti mommy ento aso.
So that this is very historical.
Nti and a very good relationship ebiem IGP fo abenyinara ye de oba ye do si akonwa so pe ese okochia Otumfuo mu say ye chia no a enade ese mesu metuma se na mekochia bi na atenti eno Otumfuo etunase medical kan initially so Otumfuo ntunase basa eye bibia wo hu no wo yohonu mu the IGP no Inspector General Police of yohonu no ye wade kase bia wo hu no wonu mu enya sade asanka Otumfuo ye de ne se akonwa so ba 1999 wo hu no IGP fo bebre ada na wa ma wo second history no ko ade but was single out papa way for certain reason. But before then, no, I go to Oya Kroboni, men kai krobo for no mammy and Sambia, ye de kai 1 year pa. The first African IGP, a bibi memu ho, no ya Kroboni, a fan ERT Magite.
Oh, nice.
And the whole world, the leading researcher into sickle cell disease, Professor Felix Konote Ahulu, in 1935. And 2025 year at the ripe age of 90 years or 95 we say bibisa when you pan about 90 or ye eyini your friend say a year can say kroboni the whole world do know your Queen Elizabeth so personal physician and papa nso about no so making history the first IGP Asante Hene abesa or no so the first IGP Mamprusi Kusasi conflict here started before independence. On the first time or call conflict zone, first IGP wako conflict zone. Wow. Be about to be near Suman Crofo. One no dear or no na oko. And now me part time or police college. Me do almost me who be a mechanic. And then who saw your student ever hono. Or just several hours. The best student cadet student during his time. And a brofo English language, Queen's language, you know. Oh, Jesus Christ. Too much. Now, was signed a national award, National Leadership Award for combating crime. And now, what grand medal, Ghana's highest award, you know, in terms of fighting and violent crime. 205, 209. Wow. Awards award, you know. And Otumfuo so who say, Sabi was a civil war back Ghana. Me no dey betu me dwane na nanom entumi nya won asase ho enwane. No wenyan na nabi. A oboa no masomdua ba Asante mem achem doma emfanti baabi a e den no ntuntare no.
Interesting.
Me dey ba wie kra me ka say. Papa so ya 1965. Ntina say 60 years in. Wosha was several police service free in Kuala Lumpur. Ono akwa as a recruit. Nti degrees ni no year ni in the service. Oko wie form 5 ana. Oko nti oko recruit to kra any from certain Lance Corporal police for rank no. And why year adwuma about 40 years. Me gidi so Otumfuo kra de na no betum. Sanke ye mana to na adwuma so. Cause ye nka asem bi say for asem pa kodo. Obi o ye papa bia no. Ye piano so afru diapa. Na nka Mahama de ne bai. On sign and uncle. And so the idea about NPP because Nana Kufuor in a year as deputy IGP. True. Until now, Obia and Mr. Mahama bonus in China, Wakofa, Obia NDC oriented. And now what was that didn't on to now while to 2028, Mr. Ande as presidential candidate.
Fantastic. Wow. I will be looking forward to Lawyer Noche standing as a presidential candidate. I could say position right now, Minister of the.
Oh,
yeah, check positions.
Children and women are
okay.
And open foreign affairs.
Foreign affairs. Lawyer, Miss Obama, there.
Wo the chief of staff. Me no
thank you so much.
Me no better flash. No more than so one price CPP for beba.
Fantastic. We'll be praying for CPP from today. It's been an interesting conversation.
Very interesting.
You know, you can always count on a Dr. Yao Anoche Frimpong when it comes to history and, you know, some form of education in your space, I say. Today we're looking at in the Mind of Otumfuo. We've touched on a few topics. If you join in later on, the good news is that it's going to be on YouTube. So you can go on YouTube, take your time and re-watch it. We want to say thank you to Ghana News TV for the footage we displayed on our screens. Are we doing birthdays? If there are some birthdays, let's wish them a happy birthday. Okay, so the first one is going out to Sesinam Abna Amekuji. I'll say, may your day be filled with laughter and love, growing into a beautiful, bright, and kind soul, bringing endless joy and sunshine to everyone around you with your sweet smile and precious giggles as you fill your life with amazing adventures and dreams come true from your mom and dad. Happy birthday to you, beautiful. Let's take the next one. Happy birthday, Ama Bans. Wish for you on your birthday, whatever you ask, may you receive. Whatever you seek, may you find. Whatever you wish, may it be fulfilled on your birthday and always. Happy birthday, Ama Bans. And this coming from Nana Edu. Yes, Nana Edu. Happy birthday to Ama Bans again from Nana Edu. Yes, great one. Nana Edu in-house away. So happy birthday in-house, dear pa. Happy birthday, Miss Vivian. And this coming from 21, or say, with mirth and laughter, let old wrinkles come. For your smile lights every space. Your quiet confidence proves that beauty itself doth of itself persuade. Hey, message ready. Shakespeare pound. May this new year bring you grace, favor, and joy, for love looks not with the eyes, but with the mind, and is felt beyond words. Hey, 21, you get words, so 21 to Miss Vivian. Happy birthday to you. Enjoy your day. And to whoever is celebrating their birthdays today, we want to extend a glorious happy birthday to all of you. We want to say goodbye to you. Thank you for being with us from 6 a.m. And of course,